So what I just used was the Dockstore CLI. So the Dockstore CLI is a handy command line resource that Dockstore provides to help users develop content locally. So basically, it provides additional tooling to sit on top of, say, Cromwell or CWL tool that provides some nice handy features in addition to what these two engines provide natively. So you can run descriptors locally, or you can run descriptors directly from Dockstore using the Dockstore CLI. It'll actually pull the descriptors that are stored on Dockstore and bring them to your local machine. You can use the Dockstore CLI to also create a JSON parameter template based on a descriptor. So it'll take a full descriptor and then give you a blank template based on the contents of that descriptor so that you can fill in the values. The Dockstore CLI also does this very handy thing with built-in plugins. They're basically file provisioning plugins that enable the Dockstore CLI to fetch remote input data. So say your data is stored at an HTTP path, so it's somewhere on the internet. It could be on an S3 bucket or a Google storage bucket. The Dockstore CLI will actually go grab those data files and provision them to your local machine so that you can run them directly on your machine as well.